Welcome to Shopping for Cars with Ciro of Petrolheadonism, and we are here at Kaaimans International, sat in their phenomenal Captain America spec Huayra Roadster by Pagani. I can't afford this, but let's go have a look at some of the stock and what will I buy to replace Viola. Welcome back to the channel, and it's Petrolheadonism YouTube, and it's still raw from Viola's fire, but we're looking onwards and upwards and every silver lining. In the last week alone, Viola has hit headlines around the world. We've been working with a news agency group, Lad Bible, and it's gone viral, as well as car pages like Cars 247. It's being shared, and Viola, in her death, has been immortalised with the amount of coverage. In the last week alone, she's done even more than what she did in the first year of being together with Petrolheadonism. She will always be that dream car that I had and lost. But I'm not going to get emotional, because a lot of silver linings, and we've held a massive positive vibe since a couple of days after the fire, in that the outpouring of love and affection by you guys in the comments and DMs and messages has been absolutely amazing. And I'm here at Kaaimans International to look for a new car. Now, we know the guys Gary, Keith and the team here, and they've got a phenomenal stock. They've got 4 or 5 cars in this showroom that I'm honestly contemplating. Let's go for a little walk. So cut me open, I bleed Lamborghini, and the obvious car here for me is the Lamborghini Murcielago, and here in a satin black with an orange interior is within the price range, and it's absolutely stunning spec. Right-hand drive Murcielago coupe. It is e-gear. It's a 2007, but it is a stunning car and has all that Lamborghini theatre, which is what I love about Lamborghini. And of course, doors up, baby, we've got wings. So the Murcielago is a big tick in all the boxes for me. The Countach is not, it's too classic, I can't use it, and it's out of my price range. So I'm just gonna be honest about that. The 812 GTS behind you is out of my price range. However, the Diablo SV, the 488 Pista are considerations. Now, I've never had a Ferrari, modern Ferrari in that way, and could be an itch I need to scratch. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Lamborghini or Ferrari? Where should I go? Lamborghini Diablo SV, again, is phenomenal. It's within the price range, but it's taken it back a step in terms of tech from where I was with the Aventador. But Scoot, Asbo right here, GT2 RS, Weissach pack, red. I think this is a guards red, I could be wrong, but Weissach pack, guards red, roll cage, GT2 RS is absolutely phenomenal. Look at the Pista, look at the GT2 RS. So I'm at Lambo, Porsche, Ferrari. Can't afford a Zagato. Hey, the stock is insane. Testarossa, again, it's too much of that 80s era. I need something that can get me to shows regularly. We know with Viola, over 10,000 miles with Viola in a year, we know we're going to do miles. So stay tuned. This has been Shopping with Ciro and Scoot. We're looking for a new car. We're here at Kaaimans International, and there's something here. I've just put a deposit down on it.